Newcastle £35 million richer, but a hero poorer, and they're on the back foot here immediately. What a start for Arsenal. Theo Walcott right through the middle, and Newcastle's miserable week has just got a... Real Shabanic, Giroud, it's a second! It is an incredible start for Arsenal.
It's a terrific free kick from Shabanic.
Theo Walcott, 3-0, Robin van Persie. Arsenal are ripping Newcastle United apart. Abu Dhabi.
He almost mishit it into the far corner there.
Looks for Cesc Fabregas. Fantastic football and well stopped by Harper.
Yeah, terrific.
Barton hopeful of being in it. Bakary Sagna's cross, 4-0. Robin van Persie again. Arsenal